for the air show.
All right.
That's cool. Look at them parachuting. Oh my gosh. No thank you. They're braver than I. Oh, what happened to your husband?
He carried a knife, but he can't get in.
Can't get in because we're on an Air Force base, so no weapon. So where's he going now?
Now he's gonna go all the way back to the truck.
Grandpa committed a no-no, Chris. Do you have any weapons? I hope not.
I'm all set.
Okay, good. Daddy.
Yeah?
It's a weapon-free zone.
Well, I have to put these away then.
Let's see them.
Yeah.
Let's see your weapons, Joe. What plane is this, babe? What is this one we're going to?
Looks like I don't know if it's a bomber. Actually, it looks like a refueler. I'm not sure.
And a bomber. Well, anyway,
no, actually, I think it's a refueler. I think it refuels. It's got the thing in the back.
So they actually let you go on some of these planes. So we're gonna take you guys on with us. Go check it out, right?
We'll ask him what type of plane it is.
Yeah, we'll find out because we think it's a bomber, but we don't really know. We'll see.
I think it's a fueler.
Fueler, okay. Guys, one massive plane. What? That is massive. Boys, don't climb in there, no!
It's a good day to die!
Not a good day to die. Get out of there.
Put me in there.
All right, so we're gonna try again because the first plane was shutting down for the day. So what is this one?
This one looks like a transport. Or no, it could be another fueling transport.
All right, well, this one we're gonna see. We're in line. We're gonna see if we can get on this one and show you guys this one instead. Here it is on the outside.
See this, but the plane just went all the way up, stalled the engine, and now he is falling. Holy moly. Stop it, are you serious? That's scary. What's going on? Oh, stop it, that scared me. Knock it off. Oh my gosh! Wow! Holy moly! Oh my gosh! My stomach is in knots just watching that. Oh my god! Oh look, he just like stopped in midair. Look at it. Then he, oh my gosh, Dusty crop hopper. Holy moly. That's just that is insane! The thing looks like completely out of control. Oh, wow. Oh, I don't even know. We lost him behind this big plane.
Hey Joe, what do you think of that plane?
It's nuts.
It is nuts. Is that what you want to do when you grow up? Yeah.
I thought driving a bomber might be cool, but not doing that.
Not doing it yet. It's a little scary. Jack,
What?
you want to go on this plane?
I'll jump off to a guy man.
You're gonna jump off like Iron Man. Do you have your suit? Where's your suit? Are you ready to go, baby?
Ready?
Ready? Do a thumbs up. High five. High five. Ready, go? Yay!
To the back and you can come back forward later. I've got a lot of
The mask. So these are rollers to slide everything in and out. Oh, wow. You don't roll right out.
Oh, they are gathering. That's the one over there.
Dad, so what goes in here? This is cool, but what would they bring in?
We put cargo in here.
What is
Yeah, you bet. Absolutely. I'm not going anywhere.
Whoa. Uh-oh, lights went out. Power outage. What are you gonna do, babe? Just gonna sit there? Trouble. What plane do you want to go on?
I want to go after the take one.
The take one? How about the one that flies up and flips around? You want to go on that one?
No.
Bye, thank you.
Thanks. So,
Now we're like under this plane. Can you touch it? Oh my gosh.
C-130,
Yep.
right? That's a gunship right there.
A what?
Gunship.
Done?
Gun.
Gun. Oh, that's where they take
Gunship.
all the guns.
Yeah. See the cannon sticking out the back over there?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah. See
Oh.
the gun? They got a...
That's no joke. That's like a big cannon.
Oh, yeah, it's a 105.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know all my numbers, but it's a big cannon.
Yeah, it's a 105.
Yes. That's a pretty big gun. Holy moly.
This is a 20 millimeter right here. This here.
Oh, don't hang on it, love.
The one back there is a 105.
Dad, you ready for the planes? Can you hear me?
Ooh, Italian ice.
Italian ice?
Carter.
Want some Italian ice? Me. Want Italian ice?
They can't hear you.
Before meeting, they'll bang sharply, narrowly avoiding each other for the opposing knife edge pass.
Hey, this formulation. That's never produced.
Is this your idea of fun, man?
guys doing?
Carter, Joe, Max, Jeff.
I have 5 boys.
What do you guys say? What's this, babe?
These are 2 missiles. Look at that. Boom, boom. And then
Wow.
that's a fuel tank down there.
Jackie, what do you think? I like your shirt, babe.
Thank you.
Jackie, that missile is bigger than you.
That's a big bomb.
Oh no, the
Let's go
cone's
look at
taking
those.
off.
Oh, those ones, right?
What are you doing? Put that back, buddy.
Hey, Mama, machine gun in the front. It's a minigun. Shoots huge bullets out the front of it. They used it in Desert Storm to blow up all Saddam's tanks. Right, buddy? Right? That's a huge machine gun. The bullets are massive, and they come out, and that's all the... This is active.
Grant, what do you think? Be careful.
Those bullets, Jack,
Grant, be careful.
they go through tanks.
Jack, be careful.
Is it a Sable round? 20 millimeter?
Is that machine gun?
Pilot.
They actually put their names on who flies the plane. I didn't realize that. That's pretty cool. I guess you get the same plane all the time. Pretty awesome. Where you going? Grant, come on. Show me where's the planes. Are you drinking that? Are you drooling it? What are you doing? There they go. Where you going, Grant? What's that? Oh, look at that one. Awesome. T6. Grant, what do you think of that? Ooh, don't touch baby. Grant's getting a workout. Hey Grant, look over here at this helicopter. It's awesome. Look at it. What do you guys think of that? What do you guys think of this thing, huh?
This is a Huey. I think it's a Huey.
Wow, it's pretty awesome.
If Louis was here, this is the Vietnam era.
I was gonna say, it says Marines on the side too.
Vietnam era. Right?
Vietnam era, Marine helicopter. Pretty awesome. Really cool.
How many bombs do you think go in here? Ready? One.
How many?
21.
21. Wow.
Smoke you.
Bum, 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 bum. Ow! Ooh, watch your head.
That's a plane. Plane. Jet. Hey, no problem. Hey, everyone. We're leaving the show right now. We had a blast. Saw the Air Force, saw the planes, saw the jets. Got helicopters. Show the helicopters. They're watching, giving an escort. It's great. And, hold on. And Don't forget the hand sanitize, those porta potties, I'm telling you. After a long hot day in the summertime.
What'd you think, man?
It was good, but one helicopter had a
Buddy, well, we had a blast, right, Mom? A lot of fun, a lot of good times.
Ready? What?
There's 21 bullets like on the one helicopter.
That's right, 21 bullets on one helicopter.
21 on one side, it's 42 total. Well, we had a blast. Thanks for coming along, guys. We had a fun time, and looking forward to seeing you soon.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.